Oh, I love this smell. Today I want to talk about another beautiful ingredient that I use in some of products, and it's the cocoa butter. And yes, it smells like chocolate, so you know, that's already one benefit. The cocoa butter, comparing for example to shea butter, is harder, so it makes the creams thicker. That's why I use a smaller percentage of it if I use it in a cream. And it melts in about 30 degrees Celsius, so it needs more heat to go into the skin. But overall, it's a pure fat that made from a cocoa bean in the process of making cocoa powder. And of course, it's also been used to make chocolates, but you know, we are here for skincare. So the benefit of it, it keeps your skin moisturized. It soothes dry skin and flakiness. It helps prevent various inflammatory conditions, and has the ability to calm the skin, to balance redness, itchiness, and inflammation. I already mentioned. It's also very good for stretch marks, by the way. So overall, the high fat content and strong anti-inflammatory essence of the cocoa butter can benefit your beauty routine. The richness of it can increase hydration, smooth the skin, and just overall makes it, nourish it very, very, very good. It's also been used in hair masks. It's good for the hair. And did I say it smells like chocolate?